Using anchor channels makes working on construction sites faster, safer, easier and more economic. The choice of the right anchor channel is essential and depends on the design and individual use in the respective application. For application in curtain wall, where high wind forces or seismic forces are expected. For applications in rail and metro tunnel, where high load performance and special curve profiles are required. Or in elevator applications under cyclic loading, we offer the right channel. TCRS, hot rolled or cold formed. TCRS anchor channels should be your first choice for challenging designs. TCRS is an innovative way of roll shaping and allows solid geometries combined with high precision. This leads to high performance in all directions and is approved for static, fatigue and seismic conditions. Hot-rolled anchor channels are reliable and solid, with sturdy profiles with strong channel lips. Perfect to use when it comes to high load requirements and curved profiles in high-speed rail tunnels. Our HAC cold-formed channels are the economic option. With constant thickness throughout the entire profile, material is saved. They are typically used for connecting precast elements or building appliances where static tension or shear loads occur. The simple, time-saving and straightforward installation process increases safety and productivity on construction site and results in savings for the overall project in schedule and costs. The installation process is easy. Fix the anchor channel in the formwork. Pour the concrete and compact it properly around the channel. After the concrete hardens, remove formwork and the foam filler completely and efficiently by pulling the especially designed rip liner. Hilti cast-in anchor channels. Perfect solution for every application.